Hey, Smudge. There's the toys. Let's take the tags off. You like them? They smell good? Yeah. We'll take the tags off for you to play. You got that already? You gonna take it? It's big. It's a big toy. Whoops. It's a big toy. Isn't that cute? You like that, Blue? Yeah. Where's the other toy? I think he's sitting on the other toy. Hey, baby boy. Smudge. Here's the rainbow. How cute is that? Okay, Blue, you like that. You like the bird. You like the bird? Okay, yeah. Got our beautiful card here. I didn't even get to take it. I tend to forget to take a picture of things before the boys start at it. So they might be mangy looking once I get the pictures going. Okay, all right. All right. Okay, Smudge. Okay, Blue. It's impossible to take pictures with these boys. Isn't it? Smudge is going to sleep in the box. Blue is playing. Okay, babies.